Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Windows features are ready. Enable Hyper-V or WSL2 using PowerShell or optional features, then reboot. Next, install Docker Desktop and sign in so images and settings sync. Once installed, open Docker Desktop and configure resources. Assign CPUs, memory, and disk. This matters for build speed and container stability. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS. These steps get you past blockers quickly, so you can run containers without permission or resource errors. Now you'll create a Docker file and build an image. Docker build tmyap. Explains what goes into the container. Once built, run it with port mapping and environment variables. For example, Docker run P8080, 80 name myap dmyap to expose services to Windows. Use Docker ps to list, Docker logs to read output, and Docker execute myap bash to inspect running processes. Make sure to attach volumes for persistent data and check firewall rules so Windows can reach exposed ports. Finally, orchestrate services with Docker Compose. IML to define networks, volumes, and multiple containers. Run Docker Compose upd to start. For updates, rebuild with Docker Compose upbuild or pull new images and restart. If something breaks, check Docker desktop logs, increase CPU or memory, and confirm WSL or Hyper-V integration settings. Mismatched backend causes common failures. As a troubleshooting tip, when networking or mounts fail, restart Docker Desktop, and, if needed, reset to factory defaults to clear corrupt settings while preserving your Compose files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.